This is the story of chasing dreams. At some point in your life, you have to decide to leave comfort behind and chase a dream. Because if you don't, you'll be living with regret the rest of your life. My name is Sebastian, and I'm an engineer in the U.S. Navy. For the next year, I'll be living on board and refitting my 40-year-old Beneteau to be a cruising yacht that'll take me around the world. So this is about to be my slip here at the new marina, 89. It's pretty fucking rough, I'm not gonna lie. Some of these boats here are pretty fucked up. I'm gonna try and see if I can get this one instead. I decided to move marinas to be closer to work and to where I'm living. This is Naval Station Norfolk, and this is the ship I'm currently stationed on, the Dwight D. Eisenhower. So right now I've got the breaker off. You should see nothing when I do this. So now I got enough water. So I don't think my bilge pump's working. I think it's, from what I understand, it's supposed to have two switches. One that's connected directly to the battery. So as long as that's on, it should automatically pump no matter what. And there's another one right here on my breaker board. And when either of those, right now they're both on, and the pump is not doing anything. I went ahead and filled it up with some water, pretty much all the way up the side here, to try to get it to go off automatically, and it's not fucking budging. So I'm gonna go ahead and unhook it, take it home, and then test it in a bucket with the 12-volt battery I got. I might be replacing that. Fucking gross. Get you a better view of what I'm looking at here. It's fucking foul, ain't it? In fact, I just got my phone case all fucking gross, just touching just moving it. I don't know what this thing is, so I think what I think it might be is the shower supposedly drains straight to the bilge, and then should get pumped overboard by that bilge pump, but I think, oh, it's fucking disgusting. I think that's what this is. Although, you know, I don't know. Maybe this looks like it could be a suction, so maybe this is another type of bilge pump inlet. If there's more than one bilge pump, I don't know. But let me try and clean up some of this shit with my shop vac. Oh, you know what? Fuck, I shouldn't have done that. There's some screws in there I want to try and get out. Salvage. Opened up the bilge pump, and the float switch is what's fucked up, but you can see all that crap in there. It's no surprise it's fucking why it's fucked up. I'm gonna replace it anyway though. Yep, got 1 gallon of water. It's not sucking. It is running now, which is an improvement on before. At this point, the bilge pump is working again, but with the current mount, it's pretty high up in the sump of the bilge, so I try to adjust the mount to get it lower down. That way it maintains a lower standing level of water and other crap in the bilge sump. I had a really hard time bending this metal mounting bracket and ended up having to cut a piece off to make it fit. It's not perfect, but it's the cleanest the bilge has been in a long time. I removed the folding table to take home so I could restore the teak there. I used Starbright's 3-step teak product. So this is how the teak wood ended up. I used I was pretty satisfied with the final product. wheels have arrived. I love fenders, training wheels. I taped off one part of Teak in sections to see the difference each step in the process made. I think the result was pretty interesting. I took a trip to Mojitoville while I worked. I had to scrape old lacquer off the Teak before you could apply the products. It was a big pain in the ass, as you'll see in a later video when I restore the bench seats. It was made harder because my heat gun kept popping the electrical breaker and I forgot my extension cord.